Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify IRA real estate rules with equity trust, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify IRA real estate rules with equity trust, start by understanding the basics of self-directed IRAs. Research the specific regulations governing IRA investments in real estate. Visit the official Equity Trust website to access their resources on real estate investments. Locate the IRA account types offered by Equity Trust that permit real estate investments. Create an account if you do not already have one to gain access to detailed information. Request a copy of Equity Trust's real estate investment guidelines. Review the guidelines carefully to understand allowable properties and restrictions. Familiarize yourself with prohibited transactions as outlined by the IRS. Consider reaching out to a representative from Equity Trust for personalized assistance. Prepare a list of questions regarding your specific real estate investment plans. Schedule a consultation with an Equity Trust representative to clarify any doubts you may have. Gather required documentation related to your real estate investment. Confirm that your intended investment complies with all IRA regulations. Submit the necessary forms and documentation to Equity Trust for processing. Monitor the investment to ensure compliance with ongoing regulations. Keep detailed records of all transactions and communications regarding your IRA real estate investments. Regularly review updates to IRS regulations pertaining to self-directed IRAs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.